Welcome back to our beginner backpack series. This episode is going to be about the big three.
Be sure to stick around till the end with us. We are doing a giveaway.
So the big three, that is your three heaviest items that you'd be taking with you on a backpacking trip or a hiking trip. And those three items are your sleep system, your backpack, and your tent.
The sleep system. We're just going to give you what we use, which as our current setup stands, we use the UGQ Bandit top quilts, which weigh in at 1 pound 8 ounces. We mentioned the big three were going to be your heaviest items, so we're giving you all of the weights so that we can put it into perspective. The next thing is going to be our Big Agnes Aircore Ultra sleep pads. Those come weighing in at 1 pound 6 ounces. We've gone through a couple of different styles. This was our original. They were fine. It does have a strap on the back that can go around your sleep pad, which works well, but we got rid of that and replaced it with these. They pack down relatively tiny. These are memory foam cubes and they are wicked comfortable. You can shape and mold your pillow and it is glorious, especially in a hammock.
Definitely, I will not go back.
It's a luxury item in the sense of a little bit more space, but totally worth it for a good night's sleep.
Another big item is your tent. We found a tent called the Featherstone tent on Amazon. They were about $100, $109, somewhere in there. And so far they have been awesome. We've had it for 3 or 4 years now. We were looking at the Big Agnes, I think it was, Tiger Wool, the one we were looking at. And there's a big difference in price there. The Featherstone's $100, Big Agnes is $400. The Big Agnes is 2.3 pounds, and then the Featherstone is a whopping 5 pounds. So you got to kind of look at where you're at in price ranges with what you need. You can always start off a little bit cheaper tent and work your way up to it.
When we started, our budget was not open for a $400 tent. It just wasn't going to happen. So for us, the $100 tent was what was the best choice. We have taken that thing through every terrain and weather, and it has done great. So yes, we can cut half the weight if we were to replace it, but we're still not sure that it's worth the extra $300. That's just us. Eventually, maybe.
We had this thing last year, and we took it out into an actual lightning, thunder, ice storm, and we got the video to prove it. We stayed completely dry. It's on a 3-season tent, but still yet, for what it is, I wouldn't go back.
And it's a 2-person tent, so we tend to split the weight between our 2 backpacks, which is beneficial
Definitely
as
helps.
well. Then you've got your third and sometimes the heaviest item, depending on which tent you choose, and that's going to be your backpack.
So the reason why we listed the backpack last in this episode is because you need to have all your gear purchased, or at least most of your big items purchased, before you buy your backpack. Myself, I didn't do that. I thought you had to have a backpack first. I went out and bought an Osprey Ether 85. Way too much backpack for me. I could carry half her stuff as well, which is probably nice for her. But if you buy all your big items first, you can actually go to a store like REI or Gearhead and bring it with you, and they will assist you. They will actually load a backpack up with all your gear to see if the backpack's too big or too small.
Get the smallest pack necessary for the things that you've selected throughout this process in this series. I am using the Osprey Aura AG50. It is 4.03 pounds, which is pretty heavy. It's done great. I like the product. However, I have a relatively small frame. So for me, after our Utah trip coming up in like 4 weeks.
4 weeks, we're ready to go.
After that, the game plan is to make our own ripstop, roll down, frameless packs.
My backpack is the Osprey Atmos AG60, which is 4 pounds 1 ounce. And I absolutely love my pack. It's been great to me. It fits my body very well for being a bigger guy. Yet again, we are trying to get our pack weight less, not ultralight, just less. You know, I can get a roll top pack that's only a couple pounds compared to a 4 pound pack.
Under a pound.
Under a pound.
They were like
Well, it depends.
15,
I'm going to add
16
some
ounces.
extra stuff on there. It'll probably be over a pound, but still, yet, we love it.
We do have his pack video for the Osprey up here that we'll link for you guys, and mine will be coming shortly.
So if you like this video and like the other videos we've been putting out in this series, like them, share them, follow us. We also have some new merchandise that's on our Etsy page, and we'll put the information in the comments below. And don't forget, every Monday at 7 a.m., we'll have a new video out.
All right, we stuck around to the end, the giveaway. I'm sure you want to know. So this is going to be a 5-episode beginner backpacking series. So to get entered into this giveaway, you need to watch, like, and leave us a comment on all 5 videos in this series to be entered to win for the giveaway. We're going to give away 2 items from our shop. As Anthony said, we'll link that down below so you can check it out. The next and last episode for this beginner backpacking series is going to be how to pack your backpack.
How to get all this stuff and all these videos, this series, into that pack.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on Monday.